Let's try with this heater now. Put on the dust cover so can avoid the dust and dirty things in. This is a plug for 12 volts. We can connect it directly into car battery. Here we connect to 230 volts power supply. And turn on the main power switch. Now you can see the voltage transfers from 230 volts into 12 volts here on screen. And this is digital controller. Press on button for about 2 seconds, the heater will start. Now heater is in ventilation mode. Press the heat button, green light on, and the heater will turn into heating mode. More operation about controller we can see with another video, so here we just pass this. Turn off the heater and then also turn off the main power supply on the back side.